Your eyes have never seen, and your ears have never heard. Your mind cannot conceive. Your little heart will never quite learn the dimensions of my world. So wipe the tears away from your eyes and drive the fear away from your mind. You have no idea how safe you really are. Believe me when I say it's true, I am coming back for you. Baby, if you only knew how soon your eyes have never seen, and your ears have never heard. Your mind cannot conceive. Your little heart will never quite.
Okay guys, I wanted to jump on here real quick. This week has been crazy busy. I am preparing for a baby shower that I'm doing for one of my best friends, and then the next week we are going camping. So there's always a lot of prep for going camping. So I feel like I'm in a little bit crazy woman mode, but I wanted to jump on here real quick and show you what I did for my friend as a gift. I wanted to show you just to maybe give you an idea, and if nothing else, just to show you a little of what I've been doing. She doesn't know what she's having, boy or girl, for her baby. So I wanted to do a puzzle for her. I've done a puzzle in the past for a friend of mine. Her baby was born around Christmas time, so I did a nativity painting on a puzzle. But I did a cardboard, like those blank cardboard paintings that you can buy and then paint. It was a piece of junk, and I spent a ton of time painting it, and it's probably not going to hold out, and that was a real bummer. So I wanted to get a wooden puzzle this time. Thought it would hold up better. I just bought a wooden puzzle that already had a scene on it, and it didn't matter what the scene was. The wooden puzzle was cheap, and the pieces don't go together very well. It really stinks because even though I worked, I've sanded and sanded the edges, but chips, it's going to break some because they just don't go together like real smooth. It's like, I don't know. Anyways, that's a real bummer, but I was committed. I had this crunching time frame, and it's done. But I wanted to show you, I bought two different sizes because I wasn't sure which size I wanted to do. So I bought the kind of puzzle, let me just show you like this, that has the wooden frame and then the pieces go in it. And on this one, what I did, I gessoed and I'm sanding the side that doesn't have, that's just basically the back of the puzzle pieces. Because I thought, then that's like a double-sided puzzle. And this was like an ambulance and firefighter kind of thing. So basically, I gessoed one side, and then I would put it all together and sketch it out and paint it. And you do have to be careful because if the paint gets on the edges, and it can stick together, and you have to be careful when you pull it all apart. Okay, so that's that one. This is the one that I did for her. It's a smaller version. It's probably not going to show up great here on video because of the lighting, but it's a smaller version, and I painted on the side that the actual puzzle was. And then what I also did, basically on the inside of the frame, like right here, I painted a little message for her. And so I wanted this to be kind of boyish, in case she has a boy, because I have this feeling that she's going to have a boy, but we'll see if I'm right or not. So I don't really do a lot of like boy, themes and stuff. So I picked something from my sketchbook. Let me show you. I liked the black background. I added a few more bugs and worms to make it a little more boyish, but I still think it's pretty enough that it could be for a girl. Either way, that's what she's getting. And I'm also going to ask her if she would rather it be like an art piece. I could put a hanging thing on the back, and I had the idea of gluing those little bitty magnets that are real thin on the back, so it would be kind of like magnetic pieces, but she would be able to hang it because all the pieces would stay up. So that's what I did for her. Probably do it again in the future. It was really fun to do, and I kind of just treated it like a sketchbook page. You know, it's not perfect. It's going to be basically a kid's toy, and so I tried not to be overly, you know, perfect about it.
It is not as we've seen, it is not as we've read, it is not as they've said. How we need to forget and we need to reset and be like children again. Are you hungry and have no money? You can sit at this table. Are you thirsty and unworthy? You can draw from this well. Are you weak? Are you poor? Are you wanting for more in the quiet of your heart? To yourself you say, I wish someone would pass my way and give me a new start. Sweetheart, stop cutting your sweet arms, no hope, smoking dope and drinking your life away. Let's dance and sing, let's eat from the tree, come down to the river with me. It may be too good to be understood, but it's not too good to be true. It may be too good to be understood, but it's not too good to be true. From the dust we came, to the dust we all will go. We brought nothing with us, we'll take nothing home. Heaven knows. Keep in mind